Welcome. Hello. We're gonna start a new course on meditation at the Jamyang London Buddhist Center, and a course which is aimed for beginners, and we're gonna explore various aspects of meditation in order to achieve more sustainable happiness, to get more peace of mind, and to know how to react in different situations in our lives. And there's various types of meditation we're gonna explore, and initially, we have to build more awareness to get more understanding of our inner world, because we're mostly externally focused, as we know, in our day-to-day routines, in particular with internet and mobile phones. We easily get very much into the external world. But to get more peace of mind and to really generate more kind of happiness within, then we need to focus within. We have to work with our minds. And for that purpose, we're gonna have the course in various aspects of meditation, going from building more awareness, being more aware of our emotions within, as well as know how to regulate the different emotions we're facing, constructive ones or disturbing ones. So how do we regulate that? And that leads all the way up to also aspects of a more traditional aspect with 4 close places of mindfulness. How do we apply these meditation techniques in order to really progress in our development of achieving more inner peace and achieving more well-being? So one of the first meditations is to be aware of our inner world, and that's the first step. So we cut down sensory perception. We try to focus more within, and the more awareness we build, the more knowledge we get about our emotional life from within. So one of those techniques, what we can initially explore, is the awareness of the breath. So what we could do is just be aware of either the movement of the breath at your level of your nostrils, or the movement of your chest, or a combination of those two. That will be the first kind of awareness meditation part of the course as well. So let's give that a try. So how do we do that? In order to meditate, we can close our eyes and try to not think about things of the past or the future, and try to be in the present, and to make that happen, to be more in the present. And we try to just observe the breathing process. We just observe the breath, nothing else. So everything else that comes to mind, you just have to let go and just observe the breathing process. So let's give that a try for about a minute or so. Just be aware of the movement of the air through your nostrils, the movement of your chest, or a combination of those two. And any other form of thought is not of interest at the moment. We just let that go and just focus on the breath itself. So let's give it a try for about a minute or so. So that's kind of what we try to build in this type of meditation, is to be more aware. The more aware you are of your breathing process, then you teach yourself to be, later on, if you prolong with this kind of meditation, you teach yourself how to be more aware of other aspects of your mind, as we're going to explore in the course as well, to be more aware of the different emotions, either disturbing emotions or more constructive ones, and how to have an emotional regulation to transform our mind, to follow more constructive forms of thinking, and to prevent these negative strains of taking over, or to prevent these emotional hijacks from taking over our minds. So it's a kind of a structured course that goes in different steps, as we just did. An awareness meditation that will build up to emotional regulation, and that will build up with some aspect of concentration meditation, analytical meditation, and then we go into various aspects of close placements of mindfulness, how to be really aware of our body and our mind, and how to transform our mind in a way that we can achieve more sustainable happiness. So yeah, looking forward to see you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.